Hello, sugar babies. Welcome to Sugar Mama's Kitchen and Cooking with Sugar Mama. Listen, why did Mr. Tomato turn red? Because he saw salad dressing, Oh my god, I just embarrassed myself. Okay, today's tutorial is going to be Boozy Belly Brownies. But watch out, brothers and sisters. These babies gonna make you weak and woozy in the knees. They pack a kick. But listen up, they're not for children. You get me? So easy though, you can make them in a snap. So get your Baileys, your strawberry mix, your oil, and your eggs, and let's see if we can work this thing out together. You're gonna love them. Empty your cake mix in a bowl. Add 1/3 cup of oil to your cake mix. Then you're going to add 2 eggs. Mix until smooth. Pour your brownies in a pan. Bake for 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Set aside until completely cool and then cut into squares. Then package these babies up. Oh my God. Yes, they are good. They're going to make it rain for you. And remember, Sugar Mama loves you.